Welcome to Amina Rose Learning Garden, where little minds blossom.
It's time for our sight word of the week. Sight words are special words we learn by looking at them, not sounding them out. You can think of sight words as popcorn. They pop up all the time when we read.
The sight word of the week is is. Say is. I-S is. Good job. I'm so proud of you. There was a sight word of the week, and is our sight word. I-S, 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 and is our sight word. Yay! Let's use is in a sentence. My name is 10.
Today we learned the word is. Can you say is? Good job. Be sure to look for the word is in books and all around you this week.
See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ta-ta!